I came here to west of Dingle on my holidays growing up, and so that's how I ended up moving here. And I've been here for about nearly 30 years. It's a beautiful place to be. Well, I studied fine art in Cambridge in England and in Washington, D.C., where I got a degree in fine art. Being surrounded by beautiful nature and living by the sea is great inspiration for my artwork. The downsides of living so rurally is the lack of broadband and the lack of being able to connect with different artists and the art world online and to publicise my work. As a businesswoman and an artist, it's very important for me to connect to the outside world because I can feel very isolated living here sometimes. Rural Wi-Fi is fantastic because way more people will be able to see the type of work I do and be able to connect to a much larger group of people all around the world as opposed to just locally in this area. I'm no longer isolated. Most of all, it's great that people all around the world can see my art online. It's a new chapter for my business.